In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the commit command. The commit command is used to save all the changes during your current transaction permanently into your database. So whenever you want to save the changes permanently, then you will use the commit command. And this commit command will be always at the end of your transaction. You have a table and it has 3 columns. You'll begin your transaction by using start transaction statement. Then you will create your first save point here. Now in update statement here, you are trying to subtract balance with 1000 where your account ID is 1. So here you're trying to subtract with 1000. So this will become 4000 when you execute this operation. Your second update statement is you're trying to update your balance by adding $1000 and your account ID is 2. So account ID is 2 and you are trying to add 1000. So this will become 4000. You created here save point sp2. Now if you see here, you already fix here your error. Now if you execute this statement, this 333 will be added to your account ID equals to 1. So here you will add 333. So balance will be around 4333. After that, you commit your changes and all your changes will be saved. If you see, once you committed, your changes will be saved, otherwise it won't be saved.